Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 6 Test and Measurement in Sports Part 1 Test and Measurement in Sports. Learning objectives. First one is motor fitness test. Second, general motor fitness. Third, measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Fourth, computation of fitness index. Fifth, Wrigley and Jones Senior Citizen Fitness Test. Test and measurement. First one is test. Test is a specific tool, procedure, or technique used to elicit a response from the students in order to gain information to be used as a basic for appraisal of the quantity or quality of elements such as fitness knowledge and values. Second, measurement. Measurement is a technique of evaluation that use test of other procedure and instruments that results in quantitative data and traits involving fitness, motor skills, knowledge and values. Next, motor fitness test. Motor fitness refer to the capabilities of an athlete to take part effectively in his particular sports, and motor fitness is a person's ability to do physical activities. First one is 50-meter standing start. Second, 600-meter run and walk. Third, sit and reach test. Fourth, partial curl up. Fifth, push ups for boys. And sixth, modified push ups for girls. And standing broad jump for both. Seventh, agility 4 into 10-meter shuttle run. Next, sit and reach test. This test involves sitting on the floor with legs stretched out straight ahead. Shoes should be removed and soles of the feet are placed flat against the box. Both knees should be locked and pressed flat to the floor. The tester may assist by holding them down with the palm facing downwards and hands on top of each other or side by side. The subject treads forward along the measuring line as far as possible. And next, partial curl ups. The starting position is laying on the back with the knees fixed and feet 12 inches from the buttocks. The feet cannot be held or rest against the object. The arms are extended and are rested on the thighs. The head is in a natural position. Next, general motor fitness. The ability to perform body action or activities by a person is called general motor fitness. In general motor fitness include speed, strength, coordination or recreation, agility, etc. First one is zigzag run, second standing broad jump, third medicine ball throw. First one is zigzag run. For test power, speed, quickness and body control multiply plans of movement. Equipments: 2 stopwatch, 5 cones and measuring tape. Procedure: the subject run 1 lap as fast as possible around the zigzag path. Second, record the time to perform 1 lap around the path to the nearest 10 of 9 seconds. Third, subject stand behind starting line. On the signal and ready go, the subject start running in zigzag way. Next, standing broad jump. To measure explosive power of the legs, equipments: measuring tape, floor mat, non-slippery. Procedure: first one is 3 attempts are allowed. Second, landing on both the feet without falling backwards. Third, stand behind marked starting line. Next, medicine ball throw test. Purpose: to measure upper body strength and explosive power. Equipments: medicine ball for boys 3 kg and for girls 1 kg, 1 measuring tape, safe place and 1 assistant. Procedure: first one is throw the ball as far as possible. Second, stand with both feet behind a mark line. Third, hold the ball overhead with 2 hands. Okay, thanks.